Happy Veganuary, day 4. Today is my last day in New York. My brother bought a huge bag of bagels, so I thought I would make some vegan tofu cream cheese with vegan salmon to go with them as well for a farewell feast. Preheat the oven to 475 Fahrenheit and line a medium baking dish with parchment paper. Coat the bottom with about a 1/4 inch of salt. Then place 4 whole carrots in the dish and sprinkle with a lot of salt. Don't worry, you won't be eating all this salt. Roast the carrots until easily pierced with a fork, about 40 minutes. While it's baking, remove a block of tofu from its pack and dry with a clean tea towel. Let it come to room temperature. Break the tofu into large chunks. Combine in a food processor the tofu, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also use apple cider vinegar. 60 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of melted refined coconut oil. 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend until smooth and creamy.
It's upside down, my darling. Nope,
This
it was, nope, yep.
But
No, oh,
I don't know how to put this on.
it's on now.
For the carrot marinade, in a small bowl, combine 45 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a big squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and several grinds of freshly ground black pepper. Remove the carrots from the oven and let cool. Use your hands to rub off any excess salt. Use a knife to slice a thin strip off one side of the salty skin. Then use a peeler to peel the carrot into ribbons. Take a piece of seaweed and tear it into tiny little strips and add it to the marinade. Transfer to the refrigerator and marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. If your carrots are big and chunky, you can chop them up, but if they're small and thin like mine, you can just add it in. Now mix it up all together. I'm so excited to try this. Alright, time to put it on. Moment of truth. Alright, time to try it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Goodbye, New York.